Hello, guys. Hello. Another blending words for you guys. So now we on the fourth video of CVC words. So you guys should be able to do your words and sound it out and read the words. So this one is gonna do short O say ah. So all the words gonna say ah. Ok? Paran yo ki jan nou ye se Miss Jerome. So video sa se CVC ankon. Ti moun yo pal fè mo ki base sou O en anglais fè A. Son fè A. So ankouraje ti moun yo gade video ankon plusieurs fois kon sa pou yo kon mo yo. An nou ale. K, A, T, K, A, T. Your turn. K, A, T. Oh, did you say K, A, T? Good job. So let's say it together one more time. K, A, T. K, A, T. Clap it. Clap it. What's the word? Caught. What's the word? Caught. Ought. Ought. Your turn. Make the sound for me. Very good. If you say ought, very good. Let's do it together with Miss Jerome. Ought. Ought. Clap it. If you clap your hands together, what word do you hear? Pot. Pot. Let's say the sound. Og. Og. Your turn. Oh, did you say og? Very good. Now let's do it together one more time. Og. Og. Clap your hands together. What's the word? Cog. What's the word? Cog. Ox. Ox. Now your turn. Ox. Very good. Make sure when you say the sound, you say it nice and loud. One more time. Say it with me. Ox. Ox. Clap your hands together. What word you hear? Box. Very good. What word you hear? Box. Og. Og. One more time. Tell me the sound. Og. Very good. If you say og. Very good. Let's say it together. Og. One more time. Og. Okay, clap your hands. What word do you hear? Log. What word do you hear? Log. Odd. Odd. Your turn. Odd. Very good. If you say odd. Very good. Let's say it together one more time. Odd. Odd. Clap your hands. What do you hear? Rod. Clap your hands. What do you hear? Rod. Very good. Odd. Odd. Your turn. Your turn. Say it for me. Very good. Nice and loud. Odd. Let's say it together. Odd. Odd. Clap your hands. What do you hear? Pod. See the picture of the pod? Ob. Ob. Your turn. Ob. Ob. Let's say your turn. Ob. If you say ob, that was really good. Say it one more time with Miss Jerome. Ob. Ob. If you clap your hands, clap your hands. Let me hear you clap it. What's the word? Cob. Yes, that is a cob. Here we go. Og. Og. Your turn. Okay, good job. Now let's do it together. Og. Og. Clap it. What do you hear? Very good. Yes, dog. Very good. All right, let's do the next one. Up. Up. Your turn. Very good. If you say up, very good. Let's do it together with Miss Jerome. Up. Up. Clap your hands. What do you hear? What do you hear? What do you hear? Very good. If you say top, that was excellent. Good job. Good job. Good job. Good job. So boys and girls, if you're missing some words, you didn't get all the words, it's okay. It's okay if you're missing some words. Go back and watch the video. Parents, if they're missing some of the words, have them review it again, watch a couple times, make sure you correct them as they say it, so like that they could pronounce it right, it could sound right, so they could hear the word. If they pronounce it right, they should hear the word. If they cannot hear the word, more practice, but they have to make sure the children are not opening the mouth to say ta, because ta is a word. So make sure they pronounce each sound separately. Ok? Parents, make sure ti moun yo le a fe son yo pa ouvri bouche yo, parce que, pour exemple, si te fait t, et puis li ouvri bouche li di ta, ta se yon mot. So make sure ti moun yo pran son, sa yap fe an, fe yo gade plusieurs fois, et pour même chita ave yo pour yo gade video an, la yo mal fel pour prononcer ave yo, et puis là, vous venez chita pour continuer pour qu'on qui ça y a fait. Mais c'est tout ça me gain pour nous pas oublier subscriber dans notre channel là. Comme ça, les moi faire vidéo tout neuf, tout fraîche dans fois pour joindre yo tout chaud, qu'on pâté chaud pour aider ti moun yo kon li. So parents, for my English students, make sure you guys are practicing the words, and parents, please subscribe to the channel so when I do the videos, so you could get them, so you could help your child become successful in reading. So this is all Miss Jerome have for you. Have a wonderful, blessed day. Et mais tout ça me gagne pour nos parents. Que bon Dieu bénisse nous. Passez une bonne journée. C'est Miss Jerome-Severe. À bientôt.